guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. If you have not subscribed to Omega Pi IIT JN Gate, please subscribe it and share with your friend. It will hardly take 10 seconds to hit the bell icon and get the notification of the video. In this series, we are going to solve signal and system previous year gate question from 1992 to 2000. In the previous video, we have discussed up to question number 20. Now we are going to discuss question number 21. Basically, let me read the question. Let f be a real value function of real variable defined. Basically, we have given fx. We have given fx which is equals to x minus box x. Here they have defined what is box x. Box x is nothing but greatest largest integer less than or equals to x. I will explain what is box x. And basically we have to find, in this question we have to find area from 0.25 to 1.25. Understood? F of x, this is basically area, or we have to find area close by this curve from 0.25 to up to 1.25. Understood? Let me take some example. If we take x equals to 0.27, what is box x value? Box x value corresponding to this value will be equals to 0, because we have to consider integer value. 0.27 दिया ना, ठीक है, उससे कम इंटीजर वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है? 0 होगा, ठीक है। अगर 1 क्यों नहीं ले रहे? क्योंकि 0.27 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, इसलिए 1 नहीं ले रहे। उससे कम चाहिए इंटीजर, तो उसके कम इंटीजर 0 ही है। इफ़ वी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल विच इज इक्वल टू 0.52, इससे कम इंटीजर क्या है? अगर हम लोग को बॉक्स एक्स की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है तो इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू भी 0 आएगा। इफ़ वी कंसिडर x इक्वल टू 0.999, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग बॉक्स x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 0। इफ़ वी कंसिडर x इक्वल टू 1.25, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग बॉक्स x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 1 आएगी, क्योंकि 1.25 से कम इंटीजर की वैल्यू 1 है। अंडरस्टूड? इफ वी कंसिडर x इक्वल टू 1, what is box x corresponding to this value? Will be equals to 1. Understood this part? This is the definition of box x. Understood? Our integration value we can write. Now we are going to substitute the value of fx. Lower limit is 0.25 and upper limit is 1.25. We have given fx is x minus box x dx. Understood? Now what we are going to do? We are going to separate the integration, which is equals to 0.25 and upper limit is 1.25 x dx, and another will be 0.25, upper limit will be 1.25 box x dx. Understood this part? We have used the property of integration to separate. Understood? Now what we are going to do here, x dx integration will be x square by 2. Understood this part? And now what we are going, lower limit we have given 0.25 and upper limit will be 1.25. Understood this part? Now what we are going to do, focus on this part. This is very important. Focus on this part. If you have not understood, you can ask me in the comment section. This part will be very important. Now what we are doing, if we consider 0.25 to 1, understood, dx, and another will be 1 to 1.25 dx. 0.25 to less than, our x value is greater than 0.25. Understood? But less than 1, it is not equals to 1, less than 1. Its corresponding box value will be equals to 0. How do you get box x equals to 0? From here, refer this example and let me take another. Our x value is 1, understood, and less than 1.25. Here box x value will be 1. Understood? This part all of you have understood. We can write here 1 and we can write here 0. Understood this part? This is very important all. we can take 1 by 2 common. Now x square lower limit will be 0.25 and upper limit will be 1.25. Here this part will become 0. Understood? We left with 1. We can take 1 common. Lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 1.25. Integration of dx. Understood? Let me simplify it further. 1 by 2. Now we are going to substitute upper limit value, which is equals to 1.25 whole square, and lower limit value is 0.25 whole square. Understood this part? And here will be minus. Now we are going to simplify it further. Integration of dx will be x, and lower limit will be 1 and upper limit will be 1.25. Now we have to simplify it further. What we are going to do now, this is very basic calculation. 1 by 2, 1.25 whole square minus 0.25 whole square, it will be equals to 3 by 2. Calculate in your calculator. And what we are going to do here, we are going to substitute the limit. Upper limit is 1.25 and lower limit is 1. We get here we get 3 by 4, and from here we get minus 0.5. Understood this part? 0.25, here will be 0.25. Understood? Now what we are going to do, 3.4 minus 0.25, 3 divided by 4 can be written as 0.75 divided by minus 0.25, which is equals to 0.5. Understood this part? Our integration value we have find, which is equals to 0.5. Understood this part? How I simplify this part? Let me highlight my answer. Our answer will be 0.5. This is numerical type answer. You have to put the value of answer. It will be 0.25. 0.5. Our final answer will be 0.5. Understood? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will end this lecture here.